Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I was not going to make another video on how to put the legs on, but now the gentleman's asking for the file, so I thought I'd make him one. So I'm going to give him 3 copies. So this is what I made him. So we're going to show how easy it is to put legs on. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. So I'm going to draw the little leg stand the same way I did the other one. But not to spend as much time. I'm going to take the rectangle tool. I am going to convert it to a curve, but then I'm just going to, instead of measuring and moving my nodes, I'm just going to move that node in and this node in, and you go, well, you're not going to be equal. But if you Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it, and then if you will smart fill that center, that is now equal in all directions. So we have our footing for our bridge, and this is really easy, kind of a fun thing to do. And let's zoom in here a little bit, and let's take this and grab it right there at an angle and have it snap to that. Control D and make a duplicate and grab this side. Of course, we'll have to zoom into that side. Just grabbing that arrow and have it snap to there. Now we're going to take these two and we're going to blend them. I opened up the blend docker, which is under effect, blend. And we just want 2 copies because there's already 2, so that'll give us 4. They're equal all the way through. Now, one thing you have to do, you have to break the blend apart. And a lot of times I go ahead and, if it doesn't work, I go and ungroup them too, so the virtual segment delete key will work. And it's working, so you know you did it right. And all you have to do is delete these lines. And that looks pretty good for bridge supports. Now I would always go ahead and use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. And then left click and right click, and then that way that bridge, all the nodes are connected and you see the difference. That's not connected, this is. Anyway, I truly hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.